Okay guys, we're gonna do a can of pop in the microwave, see what happens. Hopefully we get a better explosion than the bottles. Here we go!
We're also doing Ryan.
Freezing cold.
Really?
The glass is warm.
Then the can's warm on the inside, probably.
This is all warm. The can feels like it was just sitting out, like room temp. It's not even. It's colder than room temperature.
That's weird.
Like.
That sucked.
Akbar.
I will not die happy now. I will literally not die happy. Okay guys, we're gonna put some popcorn in the microwave, but it's completely sealed inside this bottle. So we have no clue what is gonna happen.
It is an unopened popcorn bottle.
See? Not even open. It's still got this.
Silver.
Oh, it died again! Let it keep going. It's good. Well, I think we've come to a conclusion. It just burns. Let's open it.
Okay.
You can zoom in.
It's zoomed in. Oh, do you mean zoom out? Oh my goodness! It's burnt to a crisp.
Oh, shit. Oh my.
Look at that! Oh my goodness!
My neighbors are probably not going to be too happy.
Oh my goodness! It is shooting out steam.
That's smoky.
Smoke, steam, same thing. I'm really bad at handling this camera. Look at that! Is that just like a black, like goop?
Yeah.
That is.
Lee's putting a fork in the microwave.
Oh, it's actually starting to brown. Oh. 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 So it burnt from the inside out. Oh, that's kind of cool, actually.